Good afternoon, my dear sisters and brothers. There's a song which says, Dili sayon ang pagsunod ni Kristo. And that would somehow resonate our gospel reading today, which says, Take up your cross daily and follow me. If we want to follow the Lord, we have to take up our crosses. We all have our own crosses of different sizes, of different faces. Bisang pila pa ang atong edad, naagyo tay cross. Bisang unsa pa ang atong trabaho, bisang unsa pa ang atong bukasyon, mapari pa man ka, mamadre man ka, maminyo or dili minyo, do nagyoy cross. Naa kay trabaho o way trabaho, daga o tiguang, naagyoy cross. We cannot do away with crosses. But Jesus was saying in our gospel reading today, you have to take up your cross. Now, if we have our own crosses, how shall we carry our crosses? 3 things. Number 1, carry your cross with purpose. Every time we carry our crosses, it's not just carrying our crosses for the sake of carrying it. Our crosses would become light if there is a purpose. Na kay gusto nga kabuton. Pareha bitaw ni anang manrabaho ka, ganahan ka mo palit og bag-o nga cellphone o kaha bayranan nimo sa imong sakyanan, bayranan nimo sa imong balay, bayranan nimo sa imong tubig, magsigid jud kag save ana. Pero maningkamot jud ka because you have a purpose. Or kung ikaw ginikanan, maningkamot jud kag trabaho tungod kay imong purpose, mao man ang pagpaeskwela sa imong mga anak. Carry your cross with purpose. Number 2, carry your cross with love. And when there is love, things would become lighter. Gahapon pa man ang Valentine's Day. Daghan makarelate ni ana kana bitawng manag-uyab o manguyab pa. Kapoy kay na oy. Kana bitawng imong kwaon, imong ihatod, balik-balik kada adlaw uwan init. Motan-on nimo nga imong gibuhat, in love bang ko pader. Kung in love ang tao, he will do everything. Kasuway bitaw mo ana mo sugo mo sa iyong anak o kita mismo. Kana bitawng naglagot ta, unya human manghugas tag plato, ang plato perteng bugatag yun. Usay mga buak pa ng plato, ano man nagsapot-sapot man ta. Labi na kanay imong anak imong sugoon, o na bundak-bundak perting bugatag yun. Pero kung malipayon ka nga mobuhat sa paghugas og plato, magkanta-kanta ka, perting gaanag yun. And that will tell us that when there is love, every time we do, then things would become lighter. Para bitaw nato diri mo simba ta kada adlaw diri sa CCTN. Usay hasol ba kayo? Ang uban niyo le minister, ang uban dili ba na taga Mabulo mo travel gyud dinhi. Kakapoy ana. Pero ano inyo man ang gibuhat? Because you love what you are doing. Therefore, if we carry a cross with love, our carrying the cross would become lighter. And number 3, carry the cross with smile. And every time we smile, our heart becomes lighter. Kana bitawng tao nga dili ganahan sa iyang gibuhat, magsigi man nagkusmod ang naong, kabantay mo ana. Kana bitaw yung anak iyong sugoon, di sila ganahan, magkusmod man na, bundak-bundak man na. Bati pagtaong, magkusmod pa, awa na. Pasan pag-cross. Pero if we carry our cross with a smile, things would become lighter. Mao na nga ang tao nga malipayon sa iyang gibuhat, usa ka tawo nga gaan o kasing-kasing. And that would be our prayer. As much as we have our own crosses, we carry our cross in 3 ways. Number 1, carry your cross with purpose. Number 2, carry the cross with love. And number 3, carry the cross with smile.